Formula is the sequential structure of the functions and operators. Here we are going to discuss about calculation using numerical operators like plus to add, minus to subtract, asterisk to multiply, slash to divide, percentage to calculate percentage, exponent to calculate square, cube or times value of any value. This is Microsoft Excel workbook and this is worksheet window and working area. Now here let's try to use some numerical operators. Let's try to add values. For example 89, 14, 15. Now I want to calculate the total. So it is formula bar. Here we need to use formula with numerical operators. Equal to sign is compulsory to type formula. So equal to sign is must for any calculation in Excel. Now we want to add these values. For example, this is C4. This is C5, C6 and C7. Now I want to add the value of this. Now here I want to specify the cell address. For example, to specify this 45, I need to type C4. See, automatically the fourth cell of C column has been highlighted or the number 45 has been selected. Now I want to add value, so plus sign, plus operator. Now again I need another value C5. Now you can type on keyboard like C5 or just you can click on here. Automatically the cell address is written on the formula. Plus sign again. Click on this next number. Plus again. Now 15. Now press enter to get result. 163. It is the output. Like this you can add number. Similarly, I want to add some numbers here. For example, equal to 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Now I want to press enter here. Then output will be 30. See, I got the result directly here. And when you click on this calculated area or using formula cell, you can get formula on the cell formula bar. See, यो 13 कसरी आयो त भन्दाखेरि 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. You can get the formula in the formula bar. Similarly, यो 163 कसरी आयो त? How did you get this 163? Now just click on this 163 cell. See, automatically you can get the cell address here equal to C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7 and the output is 163. Okay, like this we can get formula on the formula bar and we can add total. It is the use of plus operator. Plus sign लाई हामी plus operator लाई हामी value लाई जोड्नको लागि प्रयोग गर्छौं. Suppose म 45 र 45 जोड्न चाहन्छु or equal to 45 plus 45 equal to almost 90. See, automatically the result is out. Now just click on this 90, you can get output. 45 plus 45 in the formula bar, you can get the formula equal to 45 plus 45 equal to 90. Like this we can use. Delete the cell, just place the cursor on the cell pointer on the cell paste directly, the value is deleted and formula also is deleted. Now use of minus. Suppose here I want to type some values. For example, 145, 200, 300. Now type some other values like 120, 180, 250. Now these are the values. Now let's get the net value. I want to subtract this value from this value. So here equal to sign, I want to subtract 120 from 145. So here let's use cell address. To refer this 145, I need to type E4. E4. It refers 145 minus. Now to refer this 120, F4. F4. See, the value has been highlighted. Now place it. See, the output is 25. Similarly, equal to, I need to subtract value from 200. So to refer 200, E6, sorry, E5 minus F5. See, the value has been highlighted, 180. Now I want to subtract 180 from 200. Now press enter. See, the automatically value has been subtracted from the previous value. Like this, we can subtract the value. Now, it is very boring to type formula again and again and again. So let's have concept to copy formula. Here we have applied the same method, or we are subtracting this value. Okay, we are subtracting these F column values from E columns value. So let's place your cell pointer here on this point. See, the cell pointer has been changed into a thin cell pointer. Now press your left mouse button and drag. See, the value has been automatically subtracted from this E columns value. Now others rest of the values are 0 because there are no values. Now you can add other values like 789. Now how much do you have to subtract? Now 500. See, automatically result it out. Similarly, 700 minus 300. Automatically value is out. Similarly, 900 minus 500. See, automatically value is out. Similarly, 1500 minus 1000. See, automatically value is out. 400 minus 600. Now minus 200. See, automatically we can get out. Like this we can copy formula. And here it is the use of minus sign. We are subtracting the value of E columns. We have subtracted the value of F columns from E columns. Okay, it is the use of minus. Similarly, let's use asterisk or multiplication operator. For example, I want to multiply these values. For example, first value and second value. Now I want to get this output total. Suppose, okay, now in this cell I want to multiply this C column's value and D column's value here. Now type equal to sign, it is compulsory to type formula. Now to refer this 4, you need to type cell address on keyboard, like C columns means C14, C14. See, the value has been highlighted. Now asterisk, you can see on numeric keypad. And to refer this 8, you need to type D14, D14. See, 8 has been highlighted. Press enter, automatically multiplied. You can just click on this value where you can get formula on this formula bar. यो कसरी आयो यो भ्यालु भन्दाखेरि C14 र D14 मल्टिप्लाई भएर आयो भनेर फर्मुला बारमा तपाईं देखिरहनु भएको छ. Like this you can multiply. Similarly, now equal to, you can just click also, click on this value into or asterisk sign, click on this value. Press enter, automatically you got your output. Or now we have applied the same type of formula here in all other cells. So if you want to apply the same method in the remaining cells for calculation, you can just copy formula. Copy formula means just place your mouse pointer on this point on the cell. Now the cell pointer has been changed into a thin. Now place your left mouse button. Now drag down. See, automatically the value has been multiplied. Let's add more value, like 14, 10, 140 is okay. 5 into 6 is okay. 8 into 9 is okay. Automatically value has been multiplied by using asterisk sign. Similarly, if you want to calculate off value like 100 into 25%, how much? Now press enter. You didn't get output. Why? Because here is no equal to sign. So equal to sign is compulsory. But now 100 of, it means asterisk sign, 25%. How much? Press enter. See, 25. Similarly, 225 into, now first equal to sign 225 of or asterisk sign 20%. How much? 45. Like this also you can use asterisk. Now let's use slash. It is used for divide. For example, sheet. Now let's say add sheet 2. Now here let's divide some values, like 180, it is first value, and here second value. First value, second value. Now let's type some values. Okay, now let's divide this value by 7, 8, 4, 4, 3. Okay, now result. Let's divide the value. Equal to sign, this value or 180 is referred by B3. Now use slash. Now click on this value, or you can type C3. Press enter. Now the value has been divided. 180 is divided by 7. Okay. Similarly, equal to sign B4 slash 64. Press enter. See, the value has been divided. Now if you want to apply the same formula in other cells, just place your cell pointer on the bottom of the cell on this point, then it changes into a thin size. Now press your left mouse button and drag down. See, automatically value has been divided. Like this we can use formula. It is the use of slash or divide. Similarly, let's calculate percentage. Now, I want to calculate the percentage of this value, like values like 180, 560 or 600. Now, I want to calculate the 25% of 180. Now, you can just click on this cell address. Now C11 refers 180 into 25%. Now press enter. Automatically the value has been calculated. XC को 25% चाहिँ 45 हुँदो रहेछ. It has been automatically calculated. Now again equal to, now this C12 ST 65%. Press enter. Automatically 325. Like this we can calculate the percentage also. Now let's use another operator like exponent. For example, you can calculate times value. For example, equal to 5 exponent. You can get this exponent sign on numeric key on keyboard. 5 exponent 2. It represents 2 times of 5. It will be 25. See? 25 is out. Just click on this value. You can get formula on the formula bar. 5 exponent 2. Okay. Similarly, equal to 8 exponent 3. Now, what will be the output? 512. Similarly, equal to sign is compulsory in its formula. 3 exponent 3. What will be the output? 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. See, the output is 27. Similarly, 5 exponent 5. What will be the output? No output. Why? Because here is no equal to sign. So use equal to sign. You can just double click on the cell contents to select. Now just type equal to sign. Press enter. See, automatically the result is out. You can just click on these values to get the formula. See, on formula bar you can get how these values are displayed. Like this you can use numerical operators. Now let's view some examples. Let's add sheet 3. Okay, now we are in new sheet. Here I want to create a bill. For example, you can type any text here on heading. Suppose, now just merge and center. Type text like Kathmandu shopping mall. Now again merge, you can select the cells, click on merge and center. Now Sundara Kathmandu. Okay, for phone number you can type your phone number. Okay, suppose this is a heading. Now you can just select and color also. Now here you can type text. For example, invoice. Okay, now when you you go in any shopping complex, you can get such type of bill. For example, item ID, item name, rate, quantity, total. See, now fill some data like 101, 102, 103. For example, item name like mouse, rate 250, quantity 4, item name keyboard, rate 300, quantity 5, printer 5000, quantity 10, 104, it is the ID number, speaker, okay, 1500, quantity 4, now 105, cables 200, quantity 6 pieces. Okay, now let's calculate total. So here it is just, you can align the data, select the data, click on center align. You can color also as per your desire. Okay, now let's calculate total here. Equal to sign is compulsory here. Now I want to multiply rate and quantity. To record 250, you need to type E7. For example, E7 or asterisk sign. Now to multiply this quantity, F7. See, the value has been highlighted. Press enter. Okay, the output is 1000. Now to copy the same formula in other cells, just place your mouse pointer, cell pointer on the cell point here. See, the cell pointer has been changed into a small or thin. Now place your left mouse button and drag down. See, automatically values are calculated. The सबै rate and quantity एउटै formula apply भएकोले सबैमा के भएको छ, automatically computerले calculation गर्यो. Now if you want to calculate like grand total, we can just double click on it. Okay, now how do you calculate? Equal to sign. Now this value plus this value plus this value plus this value plus this. Okay, press enter. See, automatically this grand total has been appeared. Now discount. If you want to give discount, 5% discount, 5% discount of total. Now equal to sign. अब 5% discount केबाट दिने त भन्दा grand total बाट. So योबाट दिने हो हामीले G12 बाट. G12 रेफर्स 59,700 को or into कति percent? 5%. Okay, 5%. Press enter. See, this much value or 200,985 is the discount value of 59,700. Now let's calculate tax also. 2% tax of grand total equal to grand total into how much? 2%. Press enter. Now let's calculate net total. अब कस्टमर ने तिर्नु पर्ने कति हो त? Now equal to grand total minus discount. किनभने डिस्काउन्ट भनेको त grand total बाट उसले छुट पाएको हो, त्यसैले you can use minus sign. तर 2% ट्याक्स उसलाई लगाइयो. Now plus 2% tax value. Press enter. So 57,909 has to be paid by the customer. If you want to display this value in race, we can just select the value, you can click on this currency symbol. See, the value has been automatically displayed. Like this, we can use operators. Click on delete. Now type invoice sheet. Press enter. Now this sheet has been written. Now let's add next sheet, new sheet. Now again, let's create a result sheet. For example, Green Valley Academy, Kathmandu. Just select this cells and merge. Result sheet 2015. Now here roll number, name. Now just write this, just add a row just above this. Just right click, insert, click on entire row, or you can click on this insert menu, click on insert sheet row. The row is inserted. Now let's type maths, science, English, social studies, computer. Okay, just double click this on this column heading. Okay, now total. Let's add roll number 1 or roll number 10. Now if you want to generate the number automatically, you can just press Ctrl key and place your cell pointer here on this cell and drag. Place your Ctrl key on the keyboard. Now drag. See, automatically the number are generated. Now name is like Assis Bibe. Okay, let's say value like 45, 86, okay, 89, 99, 88. Okay, similarly of Bibe like 78, 89, 45, 63. Okay, and 41. Now Miraj. Okay, 45, 88, 66, 45, 88, 41, 63, 78, 96, 63, 12, 47, 60. Okay, let's type name like okay. Now let's erase this comments. Okay, now let's calculate total equal to, now to calculate this subject marks equal to this or E6 plus F, this 86 wrappers like F column को 6th row भनेपछि F6 plus this plus just click plus this, press enter. Now automatically value has been calculated. Now just drag, place your cell pointer on this point on the cell. Now drag, place your left mouse button and drag. See, automatically the total is calculated. Okay, you can also use cell formatting here. If you want to display the field marks in red color, just select the cells value. Now go to conditional formatting. Now highlight cells rules. Now less than how much? Less than 31.99. In which color do you want to show? Red text. Okay. See, automatically the field value has been displayed. Like, for example, I want to change the 86 into 12 or 18. See, automatically value is in a red color because it is field. Like 31, it is also field, red color automatically. You can get change in this total also. हामीले यहाँ भ्यालु चेन्ज गर्न सक्छ, यता पनि चेन्ज हुन्छ. जस्तै म यो 45 लाई 90 गर्छु, प्रेसिङ द अटोमेटिकली यु क्यान सी गेट चेन्ज इन टोटल. because we have applied formula here. You can see formula on the formula bar. Okay, like this we can easily work, calculate with mathematics or various numbers, or we can work with statistical data in Excel. Percentage is calculated by dividing the total number of marks, for example, equal to total 100 by how much? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. See, automatically the percentage also has been appeared. Total marks यसलाई हामी पर्सेन्टेजमा लादैछौँ. यो टोटल कति स्टुडेन्ट्सको पर्सेन्टेज निकालेको हो. यो मार्क्स अब्टेन into 100 by total full marks. It is the formula. Now just drag down. See, automatically the percentage has been calculated. Like this we can use various operators. यहाँ हामीले स्ल्यास प्रयोग गरेको छौँ. यो डिभाइड को लागि हो, एन्ड यो एस्ट्रिक साइन हो, एस्ट्रिक अपरेटर. यो चाहिँ मल्टिप्लाई को लागि प्रयोग गरेको छौँ. You can see on formula bar. Okay, let's save this sheet. Save option. Choose the location where you want to save. For example, I want to browse. I want to save this file inside libraries, inside documents. I want to save this workbook by result sheet. Result sheet and invoice. Let's click on save button. Now the sheet has been saved. If you want to use password, go to file menu. In info, click on protect workbook. Click on encrypt with password. Now type password like 123. Click on OK. Now type any password 123. OK. Now this workbook is locked. Just close this. Just close this. Let's go to open that file. Computer, inside libraries, inside documents. Here we have a file, result sheet and invoice. But you cannot open because we have applied password here. Now let's insert password here. 123. It is the password. Now you can get invoice sheet also. You can get result sheet also. Just rename the sheet for by result sheet. See, this is invoice sheet, this is result sheet. Like this you can manage data in Excel workbook and worksheet. And here, till now we discussed about the use of numerical operators.